Ever struggled with chunky soups or lumpy smoothies? Today, we're diving into top 6 best immersion blenders of 2025 that will transform your kitchen game. Welcome to the channel, friends. Stick around, discover the perfect blender for you, and grab yours through the links in the description below. On number 6 is Ninja SplatterShield. Ever tried blending soup only to end up with sauce all over your counters? That chaos ends with the Ninja SplatterShield. Tested for real-world comfort, this 9-inch immersion blender arm with built-in pan guard lets you blend safely, even in deep pots. No more messy cleanup, dishwasher-safe parts mean peace of mind. Switching gears, the rapid whisk attachment whips cream or batter in seconds, giving professional results without the extra tools cluttering your kitchen. Multi-speed controls and smart torque technology keep smoothies smooth, even with frozen ingredients, a feature that really sets it apart from other top 7 contenders. Compared to standard blenders in our 2025 roundup, the SplatterShield feels smarter, safer, and more versatile. If you want stress-free cooking, it's a smart choice, but if you rarely blend thick mixtures, a simpler model may suffice. Thoughts? Would you try this for your next soup night? At number 5 is All-Clad Electrics. Did you know a single blender can save you hours of messy prep? Enter the All-Clad Electrics, tested for real-world comfort and performance. Its powerful motor handles everything from silky sauces to baby food in seconds. No more struggling with uneven blends or clunky countertop blenders. The extra long 9 1/4 shaft reaches deep pots effortlessly, keeping your hands safe and counters clean. Variable speed control and a turbo button give precision no matter the recipe, something many top 7 contenders lack. Cleaning? A breeze, the stainless steel shaft detaches and is dishwasher safe. Compared to others on our 2025 list, All-Clad feels premium and reliable, with a stylish design that complements any kitchen. If you value efficiency, safety, and versatility, it's a smart choice. But if you rarely cook in large pots, a simpler model might suffice. Would this upgrade your kitchen game? At number 4 is Braun Beaker and Whisk. Ever spent minutes whisking cream, only to end up with splattered mess all over your counter? The Braun Beaker and Whisk solves that problem effortlessly. Tested for real-world comfort, its patented power bell system with ultra-hard stainless steel blades delivers silky smooth results every time, without the splashes. Compared to other top 7 contenders, Braun's splash control technology keeps your kitchen clean while blending thick sauces or delicate batters. The ergonomic soft grip handle and easy click system make switching between whisk, chopper, and blender attachments fast and seamless. 2 speed settings give precise control, perfect for everything from fluffy meringues to creamy soups. If you value efficiency, safety, and long-lasting performance, Braun is a smart pick. On the flip side, if you rarely use multiple attachments, simpler models might save space. Would this make your cooking faster and cleaner tonight? On number 3 is Vitamix stainless steel blade. Did you know many immersion blenders leave soups lumpy or cream whipped unevenly? The Vitamix stainless steel blade tackles that challenge head-on. Tested for real-world comfort, its 625-watt motor with 5 speed settings powers through tough ingredients effortlessly, giving silky smooth results every time. What sets it apart from other top 7 contenders is its stainless steel, 4-pronged blade paired with a bell guard, protecting cookware while blending directly in pots. The ergonomic one-handed design lets you hold and add ingredients simultaneously, perfect for busy kitchens. Switch to the whisk attachment, and desserts, meringues, or batters are ready in seconds. Compared to other immersion blenders we tested in 2025, Vitamix feels versatile, durable, and worry-free with its included storage case and 3-year warranty. If you value efficiency and peace of mind, this is a smart choice. Would this streamline your cooking routine tonight? At number 2 is KOIOS Milk Frother. Did you know most kitchen blenders can't handle frothing milk smoothly or whipping cream without splashes? The KOIOS Milk Frother changes that. Tested for real-world comfort, its powerful 1000-watt copper motor blends fast, quietly, and reliably, lasting 3 times longer than standard motors. With 12 speed settings plus a turbo boost, KOIOS handles everything from silky smoothies to thick soups, whipped cream, or even chopping nuts in seconds. The sharp stainless steel blades and anti-splash design protect your counters and give smooth, consistent results. Compared to other top 7 immersion blenders, KOIOS stands out for versatility, including a milk frother, Beaker, Whisk, and Chopper, all in one set. Ergonomic, dishwasher safe, and easy to switch attachments, it brings real peace of mind to your kitchen. If you value speed, safety, and all-in-one convenience, KOIOS is a smart choice. Would this simplify your daily coffee and cooking routine? Now moving to the last one is Turelar Chopper. Ever struggled with chunky soups or uneven purees? The Turelar Chopper is here to change that. Tested for real-world comfort, its 1100-watt full copper motor powers through tough ingredients in seconds, leaving silky smooth results with zero hassle. Compared to other top 7 immersion blenders, Turelar stands out with its pulse-activated variable speed trigger, giving intuitive control and keeping splashes off your counters. The unique nylon blade guard protects cookware, while ergonomic, non-slip grips make blending comfortable, even for long sessions. Versatile attachments let you switch between chopping, whisking, or pureeing in a single click, and cleanup is effortless. Safety is built in, with BPA-free parts and reinforced blades for durability. If you want speed, precision, and peace of mind, Turelar is a smart choice. But if you regularly crush large ice blocks, a sturdier model may be better. Would this simplify your kitchen prep today? After testing all top 7 Immersion Blender 2025 contenders, the Vitamix stainless steel blade stands out as the winner. Its powerful motor, smooth blending performance, ergonomic one-hand operation, and bell guard that protects cookware make everyday cooking effortless. It blends soups, smoothies, and even whipped desserts with reliable consistency, no splashes, no guesswork. Built-in quality and thoughtful design give you real kitchen confidence and peace of mind. If you want a versatile, durable, and truly satisfying tool, this one earns your buy. Would this upgrade your kitchen routine? So guys, this was the video about the top 7 best immersion blender 2025. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.